When a hurricane threatens, it's critical to have a detailed and well-thought-out plan to keep everyone safe, including our pets. High winds, powerful rain, and sudden floods can be terrifying and even dangerous for animals, who are especially sensitive to loud sounds and environmental changes. This comprehensive guide offers practical advice to help you protect your pet and reduce their stress before, during, and after a hurricane. 1. Prepare an emergency kit for pets. Just like people, pets need an emergency kit stocked with essentials to sustain them during the storm. Preparing this kit in advance and keeping it in an accessible place will help you act quickly when needed. The kit should include 1. Food and water for 3 to 5 days, ideally a brand and type of food your pet is used to. 1. Switching to unfamiliar food during a stressful time can lead to digestive issues. 2. Collapsible bowls for both food and water, as these are convenient to pack and carry. 3. Medications that your pet might need, along with dosage instructions. 3. This includes any regular prescriptions as well as basic items for first aid, such as wound cleaning supplies, bandages, and pet-safe antiseptic. 4. Extra collars and leashes with ID tags. 4. Be sure to have a collar that fits comfortably and is not worn down, as it needs to be secure during evacuation or transportation. 5. Comfort items, such as a favorite toy, blanket, or piece of your clothing with your scent. 5. Having something familiar helps ease their anxiety. 6. Sanitary items like waste bags, litter, and a small litter tray for cats. 6. If possible, bring a few absorbent pads to place under your pet's crate or carrier in case of accidents. Be sure to store these items in a durable, waterproof container. For easy access, keep this kit near an emergency exit or in the room where you plan to shelter. 2. Keep your pet's ID updated. A common risk during hurricanes is pets getting lost or separated from their owners. Strong winds, loud noises, and confusing environments can make even the calmest animals want to flee, so it's vital to ensure they have proper identification. 1. ID tags should be securely attached to their collar, with your pet's name, your contact number, and any other useful information. 2. Microchip technology offers a backup in case your pet's collar comes off. 2. Check that your pet's microchip registration is up to date with your latest contact information. 2. Consider adding an alternative contact, such as a family member or friend, if you cannot be reached immediately. 3. Consider attaching a temporary tag with additional emergency contact information, such as a local shelter or trusted friend, in case your area loses phone service. This extra preparation can make a world of difference in reuniting with your pet if you become separated. 3. Choose a safe location inside the house. Selecting a safe shelter inside your home is one of the most crucial parts of hurricane preparation for pets. You'll want a place that's secure, comfortable, and away from any potential hazards. 1. Interior rooms without windows are the safest areas, as they minimize exposure to shattered glass or flying debris. 1. Bathrooms, laundry rooms, and closets are often ideal. 2. Create a cozy area for your pet with pillows, blankets, or their bed. 2. This gives them a soft and familiar place to lie down and feel secure. 3. If possible, include a crate or carrier in the room, even if your pet usually roams freely. 3. This provides a contained, familiar space where they can retreat if they feel frightened. 4. If you're in an area prone to flooding, make sure this space is located above ground level and stock it with supplies that can last for several days if you're unable to leave the house immediately after the storm. 4. Stay updated with weather alerts. Tracking weather alerts and updates is essential to stay informed about the hurricane's path and intensity. Downloading a reliable weather app that provides real-time notifications is a simple but effective way to ensure you don't miss any important information. 1. Set up alerts on multiple devices, such as your phone and a portable radio, so that you're always aware of changes, especially in the case of power outages. 2. Create a timeline based on the latest forecast for when you will take specific actions, like moving your pet to the shelter space or preparing for potential evacuation. 3. If you live in a high-risk area, practice your shelter or evacuation plan a few times beforehand to ensure a smooth and quick response when the hurricane hits. 5. Ensure your pet's comfort and calmness. Pets are often highly sensitive to environmental changes and may become anxious or stressed when a storm hits. It's important to create a calm atmosphere to reassure them. 1. Speak in a gentle, reassuring voice to keep them calm. 1. Animals can pick up on their owner's mood, so if you stay relaxed, it's likely they will too. 2. Bring along a few favorite treats or toys to serve as distractions. 2. This can help take their mind off the situation, especially for dogs who respond well to treat-based training. 3. Consider anxiety relief products such as pet-safe calming sprays, anxiety wraps, or pheromone diffusers. 3. These products are designed to help pets feel safe and calm in stressful situations. 3. Speak with your vet about safe options and dosage recommendations. 6. Avoid going outside with your pet during the hurricane. Once the hurricane arrives, avoid any temptation to take your pet outside, even if it seems calm. Debris, high winds, and unexpected gusts make the environment extremely dangerous. 1. Designate an indoor bathroom area if possible, especially if you have a dog. 1. Use puppy pads or newspaper to create a small space for them to relieve themselves. 1. For cats, ensure their litter box is nearby. 2. If you absolutely must take your pet outside briefly, ensure they are on a secure leash and harness, and do not go out during high wind or heavy rain periods. 3. Wait until all warnings are lifted and conditions have returned to normal before resuming regular outdoor walks and activities. 7. Have a pet-friendly evacuation plan. In some cases, evacuation becomes mandatory, and it's crucial to have a plan that accommodates your pet's needs. Many emergency shelters do not accept animals, so it's wise to identify alternative arrangements in advance. 1. Research pet-friendly shelters or hotels in your area or nearby cities. 1. Compile a list of options with contact information, and call in advance to confirm their policies. 2. Prepare a portable emergency kit specifically for travel, with essential documents like vaccination records, medical history, and any special dietary instructions. 3. If your pet has medical needs, consider boarding them with a veterinarian outside the affected area if that's an option. 3. Some vets offer emergency boarding services during extreme weather events. 8. Arrange support from family or friends if you're unable to personally care for or shelter your pet during the storm. Reaching out to friends, family, or neighbors can provide a secure solution. 1. Communicate your pet's needs clearly to the temporary caregiver. 1. Provide written instructions about feeding schedules, medication, and behavioral preferences. 2. Leave your emergency kit with the caregiver, including comfort items like toys, treats, or a familiar blanket. 2. This helps your pet feel more at home and eases their adjustment. 3. Stay in regular contact with the caregiver if possible, and keep them updated on your location and status. 9. Monitor your pet after the hurricane. After the hurricane has passed, pay close attention to your pet's physical and emotional state. Traumatic experiences can result in lingering behavioral or health issues, which can manifest in several ways. 1. Watch for signs of anxiety or unusual behavior, such as excessive hiding, trembling, or pacing. 2. Track changes in eating habits. 2. Some pets may lose their appetite or overeat due to stress. 2. Maintain their regular feeding schedule and keep an eye on any unusual changes. 3. Look out for aggression or behavioral shifts, which could indicate they're feeling unsettled or unsafe. 3. In such cases, consult a veterinarian or behavior specialist. If your pet exhibits any signs of physical distress or unusual behaviors for an extended period, seek help from a vet or a pet behaviorist to help them recover. 10. Restock and review the emergency kit. Once the situation stabilizes, review and restock your emergency kit to ensure you're prepared for future emergencies. 1. Replace any expired medications and make a note of when new ones will need to be updated. 2. Check the food and water supply to confirm they're fresh and have not been damaged or tampered with during storage. 3. Consider adding additional items or adjusting the kit based on lessons learned. 3. Adding comfort items or first aid supplies you may have overlooked can help you be even better prepared. Conclusion: preparation, foresight, and a calm approach are key to protecting your pet during a hurricane. Having a well-organized plan in place, coupled with an understanding of your pet's specific needs, will allow you to keep them safe, comfortable, and as stress-free as possible during an otherwise challenging time.